Hello po. Yung surname ko po is Wong under Miss Katrina Magtibang, WRP 207 Section 5 for June 20. So yung pinagkaiba po ng static stretching and dynamic stretching, yung dynamic stretching is with movement po na stretch, and static is just stretching po without movement. So first, 6 repetition dynamic stretching. First is the greatest stretch. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Next po sa kabila. 1 week. 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Next po is cross sack squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay po. Next is inchworm to push-ups. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next po is skips, high knees. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next po is straight leg kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And next po is static stretching, yung half kneeling hip flexor stretch. So, kita. Wait up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sa kabila naman po. Half kneel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next po is yung figure 4 glute stretch. So, lie down. Yung ankle po dapat nasa knee, other knee, and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next po is elevated hamstring stretch. So, kailangan ng upuan. Okay. So, stretch lang po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next po yung child's poses side stretch. And for that, kailangan elevated ang camera para makita. So dapat knees straight and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, kapag nakaharap naman sa iyo is sa gilid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next is yung calf stretch. Kita mo sa video. Medyo kita din. Ano? Yan. Next po yung stretch is calf stretch. So, bend one knee and stretch yung calf nyo po para dito. Kailangan yung paa nasa flat to the ground. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And we're done.